are you doing? I finally received the tulips that my husband bought for me. We have ordered online, and I had to put these guys under. We have been having bouts of bad weather, flooding after flooding, and then just few days ago we also had snowing. And today it seemed to be a perfect day because the sun has shown up finally, and it's not raining. Yeah, I plan on putting some colors right in front of the flower bed in front of our house, and something to look forward for the coming spring. Yep, and I want to do a little bit of an unboxing. Unbox with me. So it's just an invoice. I got 2 bags in here, and each bag I think has 25 pieces in it. And I got the fall planning guide. So I think it's planning 101. It talks about when do I plant bulbs, how deep do I plant bulbs, how far apart should bulbs be spaced, what kind of soil do I need, what aftercare do bulbs need. So also some preventative care on pests. And then oh, interesting. There's also a bulb height chart right here. So depends on what kind of bulb you got. So I have to look for the tulips. There's you also have to check, I think, the bulbs. This has been sitting outside. My husband actually talked about how it was sitting outside. It got delivered 2 days prior we got it inside the house, so you have to protect the bulbs from heat and frost. But so far I can see no damage. They look pretty firm for me, so yep, a happy day. So with the way how you do this, I guess you have to plant the bulbs 6 to 8 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. I think that's how it says. So I need to prep first. So as you can see, I have to pull off the bark because we would spread bark just for aesthetic reason, and it's good for the health of the soil anyway. I use bone meal. It's the only fertilizer that you should be using in planting bulbs. Ooh, it's moldy. Some of this got molded like this one. It's not good.